Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing plant-based diets, exploring the benefits and challenges of adopting a diet that's based on plant foods. Subscribe now. What is a plant-based diet? Let's start with the basics. A plant-based diet is one that focuses on whole, minimally processed foods from plants. This includes fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. While some people follow a completely vegan diet, others may still consume small amounts of animal products. Health benefits of plant-based diets. Now, let's dive into the health benefits of plant-based diets. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve blood sugar control. Additionally, a plant-based diet can provide all the necessary nutrients for a healthy body, including protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Environmental benefits of plant-based diets. Not only are plant-based diets good for our health, but they're also better for the environment. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By eating a plant-based diet, we can reduce our environmental impact and help protect our planet. Challenges of plant-based diets. Of course, there are also some challenges when it comes to adopting a plant-based diet. For example, it can be difficult to get enough protein and certain vitamins and minerals. We hope you found this information helpful.